What is up, YouTube? It is your boy, always Hype 16, because we have been hyped since 2016, boy. And in today's video, so look, as you can see in the title, it's a room makeover. I already did my bed. I know I'm a terrible vlogger person, whatever, right? So this is gonna be episode 1. In today's episode, I will be doing some paint on this wall right here. I'm gonna move this. I might spray paint this a different color. Don't worry about the mess that's in there. I'm gonna fix that. But I'm gonna do a little time lapse of me painting this wall. That's checked. Okay. Well, yeah. You're gonna see me clean the wall. See me take everything down, move everything out the way. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna spray paint this. I don't. This. It's gotta go. Right? Okay. Boom. So that's gonna happen. The paint's gonna happen. We're gonna start the time lapse right now. All right. Let's go.
Y'all niggas tripping.
All the furniture's moved over. Yeah, I got my paint roller and I got the blue tape, and I'm about to get this done. Look at the color. It's so beautiful. It matches the curtains. Oh, by the way, the curtains are new, you know. And what I'm thinking about doing is getting a new bed set and some pillows to go with it, just to, you know, tie it all together. You feel me? So, I've never painted a wall before, but I watched many YouTube videos, and I think I know what I'm doing. Keyword. Hey, alright. So, we're gonna dump the paint into here, and we're gonna get this done, okay? Okay, let's get it. Alright, so the paint roller's on. Yes, I can't wait to put this on the wall, so I know it's best to start from one end, this way, W formation, because I watch a lot of HGTV, and then go back over it, and then just continue. Now I gotta put on the blue tape around the trim, and then I'm gonna do it on the corners so I don't mess that up, and then I might do that on the ceiling as well. So, let's get into this. I'm excited. Can't wait to see what this looks like. Okay, I'm gonna do a slow motion satisfying paint drop into the thing. Okay, ready? Let's go. Quick thing before I do the slow motion. I just realized that I got duct tape instead of the actual blue tape. I don't know if it'll work the same. I only got it because it was cheaper, but I don't know. We'll see what it does to my walls, because you know these are brick walls. These aren't drywall or anything like that. So we'll see how this turns out. Okay, slow motion. Okay, so tape's done. Tape's done. Tape's done. That's not done properly at all, but we're gonna see if it. Oh, I'm sweating. I need water. We're gonna see if it works or not, and if it doesn't, as well. If it does, as well. This is what I was drinking from. Was. But yeah, I can't wait to. I can't wait to paint, because I just want to get it done. It's gonna look so nice. Alright, I need to put paint around the outlet, don't I? Okay. Well, we're gonna get it did. We're gonna get it done because we're good like that. Okay. I'm gonna see. Watch how long it takes me to do this. Okay. It takes me way too long to get something this simple done. I mean, this is probably gonna take like 5 minutes tops, because it's just an electrical outlet. sure it wasn't that hard. Still. Anyways, slow motion paint drop time. Okay, well, as you can see, yeah, but whoa, oh my goodness. I know it's above, it's off, it's onto the ceiling. I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna find like a small tin of like white paint, and well, I'll probably use white out, who knows. But I went outside, so I know that all the white spaces are filled. And then once this is dry, I'm gonna put tape on that, and then I'm gonna clean up the stuff that went outside the lines, let's say. But for right now, this looks beautiful. I love the contrast. I'm taking the hats down because it's blowing off. I mean, not blowing off. It's messing up the contrast. I might leave this one up because this one, the green and that one, I'm gonna leave that up just because, you know, it matches. But yeah, so now what I'm thinking of doing is taking everything off of this, spray painting the doors and the drawers and all that, and you know, actually I'm gonna test out what it looks like on the dresser, so I know, you know, for sure that I want to do this. Feel me? All right, so I tested it out inside. Yes, it's different quality because that camera is higher quality than the front camera. But anyways, so I tested. Ooh, look at that shine! Wow. Okay. Well, yeah, I tested it out on the side, and it looked really pretty. So I took the doors off the wall and spray painted it right there, and it is turning out really beautiful. Like the shine on this is really amazing. So we're just gonna time lapse this real quick, and that'll be the doors, and then I'm gonna do the drawers, and then I'm gonna do the sides afterwards. This is gonna look really, really nice. But hey, let's go. And just like that, it only took one spray. That's really, wow, okay. Well then, that's that done. That's it. How long does it take to dry? The instruction is based on 70 to 50%, huh? 70 degrees, 50% relative humidity. Allow more time at cooler temperatures. Dries to the touch in 20 minutes to handle. In 1 hour, fully dry. Okay. Apply a second coat. That's too much work. I just